Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with another video, and this is a very interesting one because if you are in the market to buy an Apple Watch, and not just any regular Apple Watch, I'm talking about the Apple Watch Ultra for a very cheap, and I mean a very cheap price, then this is the video for you. And I actually got an Apple Watch Ultra for 150 dirhams, and I know it sounds too good to be true, which it actually is. But let me tell you how I actually got into this situation. So a friend of mine came to me saying that he saw an Apple Watch Ultra for 150 dirhams on Dubizzle. And by the way, Dubizzle, if you're watching, if you want to catch up and sponsor a video, my friend came to me telling me this, and as soon as I heard that, I knew that if anything sounds too good to be true, most of the time it probably is. And I actually went ahead and bought the Apple Watch, the $150 Apple Watch. It's not called Apple Watch, by the way. I should let you know that. I'll show you guys in a minute of what I'm talking about. And the surprising thing is that my friend actually believed that it was true and that he was actually getting a real Apple Watch, because it was difficult to tell, at least from far away, that this was not a real Apple Watch. And it wasn't until I actually looked at the product that I actually found out that this was obviously not real. But the purpose of this video is to kind of give you a little bit of awareness that if you are looking to buy the original Apple Watch, obviously always go to the Apple Store or any authorized reseller, and that goes for any product. If you're looking to buy something genuine, always go to the authorized resellers to make sure that you don't get scammed and you always get the original thing. But anyways, let's get right into the device. What I have today is a fake Apple Watch Ultra. I just wanted to look at it and see how it compares to the real thing which I have here today. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, see what it looks like, and see whether this is actually an alternative for an Apple Watch Ultra, because nowadays most of the things are just for looks, so who cares anyway. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Looking at the box, the name of this watch is obviously not going to be Apple Watch. It's called the N8 Ultra, whatever that means. It says new product, the pinnacle of firmness. I think they meant fitness, not firmness. And on the side it says it's Wear Fit Pro. I guess it's the name of the company. More features equipped for your choice. And then we have some specs over here. So it looks like it is a 49 millimeter. It's a Series 8. It's space aluminum casing, and it comes with the Bluetooth 5.2. It's also supported with Android 5.0, and it has a battery capacity of 380 milliamperes. It also looks like it's IP68 water resistant. I haven't really checked that out yet, but that's pretty much the specs. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have here in hand. Okay, so we have a pretty weird and honestly very bad looking band here, which is a copy of a Nike band. Obviously it's not going to be an original Nike band, but you can see the logo here and the Nike wording here as well. And this is the Velcro strap, which is a very bad quality strap. But I mean, what do you expect in under $50? So if you convert the actual amount of what I paid for this is around I think 150 dirhams, just below that. This is the actual watch itself, which let me try and take out. Okay, so that actually has some weight to it, and I'm not gonna lie, this doesn't look half bad. I mean, I know it's obviously not the original thing, but if you want to get away with it, you really can't tell if this is the real thing or not, especially if someone is pretty far away from you and they're wearing it. No one's going to be able to tell whether this is the actual Apple Watch or not. And a lot of people are doing that, so there's a lot of fakes out there that a lot of people are wearing, which obviously at the end of the day, it's mostly for looks. I mean, side by side over here, you can see that it's a little bit smaller, and there are some differences. So from this side, it looks pretty similar. The color is, let me actually take it off. So from this side, it's very, very similar. I think they did a really good job at kind of mimicking it. But obviously there are some differences. This being the original, there's a slight difference in the color. This is more of a white aluminum. This is kind of like a bronze shade. The button is also orange. The speaker grills are also pretty much smaller, but the same exact style. On this side, the crown is very small as compared to the original one. And I also noted one more thing, that the crown doesn't really spin, or it's not easy. I mean, a lot of the times it doesn't even spin. This effortlessly spins around. This one does not. We have what I think is the power button. Now, let me see if I can go ahead and turn this on. Okay, yeah, there we go. So it turned on immediately. No logo, no music, no nothing whatsoever. There you have the main menu, which obviously is, you can tell it's an Android platform. Okay, so it apparently has a blood pressure monitor. I don't know how accurate that is. Something that not even the Apple Watch has. So when we turn the crown, it changes the watch faces, which is something that is not a current function on the Apple Watch. The current function of changing the lock screen is where you long press it and you change the screens. But I have to be honest. I mean, credit where credit is due. The colors are not really that bad. The colors on the Apple Watch, the fake one, are pretty decent. I wouldn't say they're bad. And again, the purpose of this watch is not really to be useful in any way. It doesn't really have any functionality apart from maybe giving you the time and connecting to your calls. It actually does take calls, so that's one of the things that I really was impressed, that it does actually pair with your phone, and you can actually pick up calls from this phone. So when we go to the action button here, which is usually customized to whatever you want, so this one being customized to workouts. This one also takes you directly to the different workouts options that you have. So you have outdoor run, outdoor cycling, water field. What is that? Open water. Okay, I don't know what that is, but it says open water something, which was weird. And it doesn't go back. It just stays there. It's stuck. I'm pressing everything and it's not. Oh, okay. That was my mistake. Let's go ahead and take a look at the band. Let's put it on and see what it looks like here. So this one, it just came off the other end. It's not sticking. It's not staying in one place. That's a really negative review, I would say, about the watch. I mean, there's nothing really positive about it in the first place. But look at that, it's freely moving from one place to another, which means that this is gonna fall off whenever you're wearing it. So that's something that's obviously not a good thing. So let me try and wear this on my thick boy wrists here. Oh my God, that's painful. Okay, with the help of my good friend here behind the camera, I was able to actually loop it in, and let me go ahead and tighten this up. So apart from the never settling little band here, you really cannot tell that this is not the Ultra. So from far away, anyone that looks at it is never going to question you, is never going to confront you about what you're wearing. This is, I mean, by the looks of it, it is an Apple Watch Ultra. But obviously there are some tells here and there. The quality, the colors here, and the animations are not really as smooth as you would see on a genuine Apple Watch. Apart from that, if we look in the box, let's see what else we have. So we have the charger here, which is it looks like it's the same magnetic charger, but I want to actually check something. I want to see if it actually fits here. So it doesn't fit with the real Apple Watch. It's kind of not sticking in the middle. It's struggling to fit in the middle, and I'm assuming that this is actually not the same technology as Apple uses for its magnetic chargers. I'm assuming this is just a wireless charger that's been put in this shape, because look at that. It's not even sticking to it. On this watch, it is right in the middle, as it should be. And I want to look at the back as well here, because it says that it is a ceramic case, which obviously it isn't. It also says that it's waterproof. It has a heart rate monitor, and the writing is all faded, so it's actually coming off. But again, what do you expect from around $50? That's what you get. And there's nothing else in the box. I thought there was a booklet here. Oh yeah, there is a booklet here. So we have a booklet here, which obviously is in Chinese, and it tells you a little bit about the watch, which is mostly in Chinese. We do have a English version here as well. But yeah, that's the N8 Ultra Wear Fit Pro for you. And I just wanted to do a quick video kind of comparing it to the real thing. But yeah, if you're in the market to kind of mimic a real Apple Watch Ultra, and if you want to not spend, $900, then this is the watch for you. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.